Yeah, hello fans, this is Jerome Kiss Music. So today I'll be doing lead line and sound breakdown for you today. So I'll be doing it on this progression. So while I'm doing all this lead line and bass line, I know most of you don't have basses in church, so you can just play the bass line yourself, okay? So I'm playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out all the notes I'm using, so you can apply it to your own key. So it goes like this. Guys, mi, fa, re, mi, la, do, mi, fa, re, okay? Mi, fa, re, mi, la, do, mi, fa, re, mi, okay? That's just how it goes. Go. Okay? Then you go to mi, do, re, ti, ti, la, mi, do, re, ti, ti, la, mi, do, re. Okay? Mi, do, re, ti, ti, la, mi, do, re, ti, ti, la, mi, do, re, ti, ti, la. You know? So the bass line is just like this. La, mi, so, re, so, la, mi, so, re, so. Okay? La, mi, so, re, so, la, mi, so, re, so. Okay? La, mi, so, re, so, la, mi, so, re, so, la. Okay? Just change this to this. So this is just a cool melody. Can you? Isodola, isotila. Usotila. Okay? Okay, fans, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and also comment. Okay, God bless you all for watching.